As part of my problem series in this video, I will be calculating current using the superposition theorem. Once I am finished with this series, I will be posting them in my StanStore at this web address. Our task in this problem is to find V0 in this network using superposition theorem. In applying the superposition theorem to this problem, we consider each source acting alone. If we zero the current source, that is, replace it with an open circuit, now shown, this circuit only gives us part of the answer as to what V0 is. Let's call it V0 primed. Using voltage division to find V0 primed, if we zero the voltage source, that is, replacing it with a short circuit, and I am also rearranging the circuit slightly, that will allow us to analyze it a little bit easier. Again, this circuit only gives us part of the answer as to what V0 is. Let's call this one V0 double primed. In order to find out what the V0 double primed is, we first must find the current that would be flowing in the 4 ohm resistor. We will call that current IX, and using current division to find IX, which is this. Now V0 double primed can be calculated using Ohm's law, which gives us this, and finally V0 is equal to V0 primed plus V0 double primed. Substituting for V0 primed and V0 double primed, adding the two fractions together, we get 5.42 at an angle of 4.57 degrees, or we can use rectangular coordinates 5.4 plus J 0.4 volts in both polar and rectangular coordinates, which should not be a big surprise since that is what we found in a previous example. I want to introduce you to another product that's out there that is worthy of paying attention to, the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 F2000 generator. To find out more about this battery generator and to keep up to date on any sales or discounts that are available, simply go to the Anchor site at this web address. And by using this web address, you can get $800 off the original price, or just browse through the various options on this site. There is no charge for just looking, but you might find something that is available at a discounted price at this particular time. For more information on other manufacturers of battery backup systems, here are some of the suppliers of solar equipment. EcoFlow, which can be found at this web address, Bluetti, which can be found at this web address, and Jackery, which can be found at this web address. And remember, this video has been brought to you by PSPT, where you will find electrical training videos when you go to this web address, which will also give you a free copy of my 50-page crib sheets that you can use while viewing any of my courses, or just keep it handy during your everyday work.